Hey everyone, welcome to Tutor Terrific. In this video, I'm going to show you how to respond to the 2020 census. Now, completing the 2020 census is going to be sort of an online process this time around, and it's going to start with something coming to your mail. A little envelope labeled My 2020 Census, and inside will be this letter. And in this letter is a very important website. You need to go to my2020census.gov, and right next to that you'll see this 12-digit code, and you're going to put that code into the website to start answering the questionnaire. So let me show you the website. So when you go to my2020census.gov, this is what the website's going to look like, and you're going to click Start Questionnaire. And over here on the left side, you're going to type that 12-digit code. And then you'll log in. Now, once you've verified your address with two little questions, they're going to ask you for your first name, middle name, and last name, and telephone number. So go ahead and type those in next. And after you do that, it's going to move to the second tab, Household Questions, and you're going to be asked some household questions, so click Start. After you answer some questions about the house, such as who's renting the house and who's in the house, you're going to then be asked some questions about the people living in the house, and you'll click Start on each one individually. The questions will mostly be related to your race and your national origin, and when you're done, it'll send you back here and you'll start the next person in your family. Once you complete all of your family, then you will see that all of these buttons are now blue and say Edit. You can go back and edit if you've made a mistake, and if you accidentally put that family member on there, you can remove them at this time. So once you're done with that, it's time to go to the final questions, so click Start. Once you complete those final questions, which are really just about secondary residences if you have any, and if you don't, you would just go to the bottom and click None of the Above, it sends you this final thing. Now, when you submit your questionnaire, you cannot go back and change your responses. So if you need to edit it, click the Edit button, but if you're ready to send, click Submit. And that's it. You're completely done with the census. You've filled it out for your entire family, and you've been counted along with everyone in your family on the 2020 census. Thank you for responding to the 2020 census. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Falconator, signing out.